How to add a photo to your post on Quora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a post with photo on Quora easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. This is the home page. As you can see now, all what you have to do to create a post with photo, first thing go to the create post option and go to create post. And now let's say that you just write it hey and you want to add a photo. All what you have to do is click here down below on this photo icon and you will be able to add the photo easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.